Can someone please explain to me why Mater is in the World Grand Prix 3-pack? Mattel missed the opportunity to release at least one other World Grand Prix racer. But no, they have to release a basic Mater. Nobody even cares about him. Anyways, well, the intro. Yes guys, today I changed my mind. I'm going to be doing this pack first before the WGP 3-pack. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on Lightning McQueen. And yeah, so today we'll be taking a closer look at this 3-pack. You guys know where I got it from, Getmecollectibles. Don't even need to talk about where I got it from. If anyone comments, like why. Yeah, so without further ado, let's start with this video. Mini Racers logo down here, Mattel 3+. The only new one to this pack is World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen. We'll be opening them up today. Does look pretty cool. We got other cars. We got, well, this is the 2021 packaging. 2020 had Cruz Murray's. They should have just kept Cruz. Even though Cruz is like a Mattel character for money, they could have just kept Cruz. I mean, come on. Cars logo, metal, because they were metal before anyways. On the back, reviewing these ones soon this week. Reviewing this one now, the World Grand Prix series, it does say it here. The only new one to the pack is Lightning McQueen, because Francesco was released as a single in the last case of 2020s, I believe. I'm not sure. There's the Cars logo, 2020 copyright, made in Thailand, because they were made in Thailand before. So yeah, I'll be right back with this 3-pack all opened up. What went on there, guys, I apologise, I couldn't record it because my phone decided not to record that part, I guess, me unboxing, so that's a big goof there. But yeah, so here is Mater. Do we even need to go over him? He is literally the exact same. He's not even different. They haven't even bothered to be fixing his wheels from like blue to, they're still both yellow, so yeah, don't even need to talk about him. He can just go aside into the box of minis that I do not need. But Francesco, so this is the one that came with the pack, and this is the one we had before. And I'm not too sure if he's different. Because you're looking at the helmet, or the head, whatever you like to call it. His eyes do look different. But that's the only part that does look different. Still got the tyres on the same. Retelia tyres. The back, still no World Grand Prix on the bottom. Dates will be different because, you know, released in different times. So there's that one. So there's Francesco. And the new release is World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen. So, let's take a closer look. He's got the smiling expression, headlights, piston cup, horse and hornet logo on the top here. Pretty sweet. Got the usual eyes. 95 on top. Signature. Spoiler. Which is actually different, I believe, to the usual diecast one. It looks the same, but when you look at it, it is actually different. Sides, he's got light year tyres like he should do. 95, pretty cool, do like this one. Again, 2020, quite sweet. So he is next to the diecast now. The windows do seem to be different. Light year. The back, World Grand Prix, which I forgot to show, my apologies. Here's the base, it is different. So that is the World Grand Prix 3-pack review. Let me know what your thoughts are. I don't know why Mater is in this pack. They could have just released a new car. Next will 100% be the Gale Buford 3-pack. Tomorrow, most likely. So if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe for that. Always leave a like. Hit that bell notification down below. And of course, till the next one. Peace, guys.